Hey there! Today I'll be showing you how Sales Hub helps your B2B sales teams work smarter. We're going to walk through how an example company called TechStack Solutions, which sells AI-powered document software, can completely transform their sales processes from start to finish. Let's get started. This is the sales workspace where TechStack's teams spend most of their day. It's their command center for all things prospecting and selling. Every call, email, to-do, LinkedIn task, and everything in between lives right here. If we scroll down, you'll see these guided actions. These are like having a really smart assistant who automatically scans your entire sales pipeline and surfaces the most important things you should focus on right now. From new leads that might need attention to deals requiring follow-up, even meetings needing prep work, all prioritized based on your actual CRM data and customer interactions. Now we can follow up on some of those leads by selecting Reach Out. This is the lead queue. It's like a prospecting playlist helping folks at TechStack work through leads efficiently without jumping between screens. Let's check out all our leads though by clicking Summary and Leads. TechStack's teams can call, email, or take action on leads one by one right from this view. And as they engage with leads, Sales Hub automatically tracks their progress. See how when I send this email, the lead stage instantly moves to attempting. And when they reply, it'll shift to connected. No manual updates needed. When they're ready to qualify this lead and hand things over to an AE, they can just hit qualify and it automatically creates a deal. So I've shown you how TechStack teams can engage with leads one-on-one. But once they start growing, they'll want to scale without losing that personal touch with customers. That's where sequences come in. Sequences are personalized sales automations that nurture prospects with perfectly timed custom outreach across email, call, and LinkedIn. Let's quickly create a sequence. We'll set one up to follow up with prospects who attended one of TechStack's events. To get started, I'll select some of my pre-built email templates to follow up with the event. We can reply to or start a new thread here before queuing up some additional manual outreach. Here's where it gets interesting. Their sequences adapt based on prospect engagement. So if someone opens or clicks the email, TechStack's teams can pull them out of the sequence and queue up manual next steps so reps can follow up personally. Let's add a couple manual tasks here. First, we can create a call task. Then, we'll add a task to send a LinkedIn connection request. With sequences, sales teams can enroll prospects manually or let automation handle less personalized tasks like reaching out to everyone who downloads a white paper. It saves teams tons of time and helps them contact prospects faster. Now that we've automated TechStack's prospecting, we'll take a look at how their teams can save some time with AI tools. Now the sales team spends hours drafting emails to prospects, but Breeze, built right into Sales Hub, can help speed things up. First, they log into Gmail and using the Chrome extension in Breeze, can craft personalized email drafts in seconds. Some of these emails might be meeting recaps, but with meetings on meetings, it can be hard for teams to keep all things straight. That's where the AI Meeting Assistant tool is ready to hop in as TechStack's personal prep team. One click, and it pulls together everything they need to know to send out recaps, including recent conversations, engagement history, and even talking points for future calls. And when they need to dig deeper into a prospect, they can ask our Breeze Copilot just about anything, from study your customer's journey to summarize a contact. Now let's look at where the real magic happens, managing and closing deals. First, we'll check out the pipeline view, where TechStack's teams can see all of their deals, stages, and key information at a glance. Let's head to the sales workspace and click Deals, and then select any deal. Every deal is graded on a score from 0 to 100, which helps TechStack's teams instantly know which deals need their attention most. A score of 85 means the deal is looking healthy, but a drop to 60 shows the team it's time to dig in and see what's changed. And with a team like TechStack's, everyone has a different way they prefer to work. Whether they want to investigate deals here or work them in the pipeline view, everything stays perfectly in sync. Now, once those prospects are locked in and deals are closed, the team can generate a custom quote instantly, bringing in the right products, applying enterprise discounts, all while keeping things on brand. So, we've seen how TechStack can use Sales Hub to streamline individual deals. Now, let's zoom out to the bigger picture and explore how they can analyze reports and turn good results into great, consistent ones. Sales Hub comes with a collection of pre-built reports like prospecting activities. At a glance, teams can quickly see which outreach methods are getting the best response rate. How many touches is it typically taking to get to a meeting? And even which reps might need a little extra support following up. Sales Hub also automatically analyzes every conversation to uncover nuggets of insight, track terms, and even identify areas for follow-up. With Sales Hub, a rep can easily visualize patterns like when a competitor comes up more often, or when a deal tends to close in the conversation. Plus, with conversational intelligence and coaching playlists, one TechStat rep can analyze and string together calls to train their whole sales team on what's working. With Sales Hub, every feature works in sync to transform TechStack's selling process. From smart prospecting to AI-powered deal management, their teams can slash busy work and hone in on what they do best, building connections and closing deals. Ready to see how Sales Hub could transform your sales process? Schedule a personalized demo to focus on what matters most for your team.